Welcome to Retriever Ridge. This is the 2.5-week-old Wayland Moose litter. Mama just fed them, and they're in here right now, smelling horrible because they've never had a bath. We've got the bath station ready. I've got a basket with a blanket and the heat lamp warming it up so they'll warm right up as soon as they get done with their bath. Let's have some fun and see how this goes. All right, we got all the puppies in the tub. Let's get some warm water going. You just want to get the water, good and warm, not too hot. You don't want to burn them. You also don't want them getting cold, so just lukewarm. This drain is open, so it's not going to get any deeper than just their little ankles. That's about it. We'll just get them all a little bit wet. Just wash them off, trying to make them smell just a little bit better. They've never had a bath. I'm going to shy away from their ears and their face. I'm not really going to get those too wet because we still don't want to. We want to make sure that we don't get their water in their ears or in their face. The guys always, that's gingerbread over here making all the squeaking noises. I think I got one up here that I haven't got yet. Get some water on him. Be really careful not to get it in their ears or their face. You don't want to scare them or anything. They're our labs. They're going to love water eventually. We'll shut that off for right now. All I use is just some bath soap. It's for babies. It's tear-free, and I'm just going to put just a little dot on each dog, just enough to give them just a little bit of a smell, other than what they've been smelling like. Mom works really hard to keep them clean, but it's really hard. It's really, really hard for her to do that when they get this age, to keep everything clean. So I'll just help them just a little bit. It gives me some time to play with them and some time to make sure that they're, getting some contact and some socialization, which we do that a lot, but just different kinds of socialization, is the best. Just keep burying it up. That's all they're going to get, just a little bit of soap on their backside. Get their belly just a little bit. They're up walking around now, making lots of noise. They're all 3 to 3.5 pounds now. They've gained quite a bit of weight already. They've more than doubled in size since 2.5 weeks ago. Rinse them off a little bit. The candy cane, we'll get to her first. Just rinse some soap off her back. Just go through one at a time. Some good warm water. Peppermint bark and fudge over here. Just rinsing them off, really. And that's really, even when you have a full-size lab, you don't want to get too creative with soap because the way their coats are made, you just really can't get the soap back out of them, and it causes their skin to dry out. So, labs, most of the time, the best thing to do is take them swimming when they get bigger. First baths for puppies. I've got most everybody rinsed off now. Like I said, just really quick, just to smell a little bit better. Smell a little bit better. Get some pee off. Some of that stuff from where they were born. I've got several towels here. I'll get them dried off and put them back in their box over there. Just let moisture off. As you can see, their eyes are wide open. All their eyes are wide open now. Most all of their ears are open as well. You can see that. They're starting to be able to hear. When I walk in the room now, they can hear me. They're becoming a lot more vocal because of that. I'll check for some teeth. See how they're doing. I don't feel any teeth yet. I'll feel some little nubs. Oh, actually, there might be some starting in the top right there. Once we start to get teeth, we can start working forward with puppy mush. Let's check how they're all going, though. Put them under the heat lamp so they warm back up. Get the next one. Come here, buddy. It's a little fudge. A little fudge all dried off. A little fudge. Check and see if he has any teeth. Not feeling anything but just some gums. We'll put him in. Better technique there. Okay, so this is a little figgy pudding. Check figgy pudding. See if she has any teeth. Not feeling any teeth there either. Well, so far, Candy Cane's the only one that I really felt any teeth on. Hey, buddy. Just dry you off. Just warmed up. This is Oreo Ball. The Oreo Ball. Little boy. He dried off really good. Again, pretty much everybody's ears are open. For sure, all are. Oh yeah, his ears are really open, so he's hearing well. Their eyes are open. I'll check his teeth. See your little teeth. Well, he might have one poking through on the top there too in the back. Maybe they're gonna come through soon. I can feel them. Just starting to try to poke through. Put him in the box. Peppermint bark over here. This is a really good little girl right here. She is one of the most calm dogs of the whole litter. Her and her brother Oreo Ball over there, they're the two calmest ones of the whole bunch. Peppermint bark. Get her under the heat lamp with Mom over here. Oh, okay. They're really going. You know what? I think I'll just stick them down here with Mom. That's the first time I've had one climb out of a basket. And they're gaining so much strength and agility every day. It's crazy how big they're getting. So fast. They're going to have to come out of that whelping box probably in the next day or two, now that I've seen that. Because if they can climb out of that basket, they can climb out of that whelping box. This is a little bourbon ball. Little bourbon ball. Check for his teeth. See how he's feeling. On the bottom. Just some little nubs on top. I can feel where they're starting to try to break through. They're not broke through yet. On in with Mom under the heat lamp. I'm going to switch out towels here. That one's getting pretty saturated. Nice, fresh, thick towel here. Gingerbread's really squawking here. Gingerbread's a little boy. Chocolate in color. Has a little white patch on his chest. It's my personal favorite of the bunch. Such a good little boy. If you like watching these puppies grow up, please like and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. Got lots of fun stuff coming with these puppies. There's some nubs there as well. Check his ears. Oh yeah, ears open. Put him in there with Mom. 2 more to go. Let's get you guys over here with Mama. She's missing you. All right, this is Peanut Brittle. Peanut Brittle is a yellow male. My son's favorite. Actually, I'm sorry. Not Peanut Brittle is not my son's favorite. He has a main favorite. He loves them all, but the one that's still in the bathtub there is Nougat. That's his favorite. He gets him out all the time. He just plays with him and babies him. He's probably been the most socialized. My son has him all the time. Check. Peanut Brittle for teeth. Right there. Again, they're getting really close. They're getting really close. Now this is Nougat. Little yellow male. He's a darker color one of the bunch. Dried off real good. Hold on, buddy. Hold on, buddy. Check him for teeth. Nothing really just yet. Nothing just yet. Okay, we'll get him in there with Mom. Okay. So first bath was a success. They're all smelling a little bit better now. I'm going to show you what they're doing over here with Mom. Got the heat lamp on, so they're all warm back up. Trying to get in there and get another meal. Mom just fed them not even 30 minutes ago. But anytime that they can get to feed, they're going to. So anyway, thank you for watching. Like I said, the 2.5 week update. Stick around for more. Like and subscribe. We really appreciate it. Have a good one. With Mom. Okay. So first bath was a success. They're all smelling a little bit better now. I'm going to show you what they're doing over here with Mom. Got the heat lamp on, so they're all warm back up. Trying to get in there and get another meal. Mom just fed them not even 30 minutes ago. But anytime that they can get to feed, they're going to. So anyway, thank you for watching. Like I said, the 2.5 week update. Stick around for more. Like and subscribe. We really appreciate it. Have a good one. With Mom. Okay. So first bath was a success. They're all smelling a little bit better now. I'm going to show you what they're doing over here with Mom. Got the heat lamp on, so they're all warm back up. Trying to get in there and get another meal. Mom just fed them not even 30 minutes ago. But anytime that they can get to feed, they're going to. So anyway, thank you for watching. Like I said, the 2.5 week update. Stick around for more. Like and subscribe. We really appreciate it. Have a good one.